you ever felt overwhelmed, anxious, or scattered? Like your mind is always racing, yet you can't seem to focus? What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you can reset your nervous system and regain clarity? That's where box breathing comes in. Box breathing is simple, powerful, and backed by science. It's used by elite athletes and high-end performers to stay calm under pressure. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and even modify it for different situations. Box breathing is a structured breathing technique where you inhale, hold, exhale, and hold again, each for the same number of seconds. You can imagine drawing a square in your mind as you breathe. It works because it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping you feel calm, centered, and in control. It's also great for increasing focus and emotional regulation. Let's go through the box breathing cycle together. You can follow along. Step 1. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Step 2. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Step 3. Exhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Step 4. Hold your breath again for 4 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. Box breathing works because it directly regulates your nervous system. By slowing the breath and adding intentional pauses, you shift from a fight or flight into a state of calm control. It's not just relaxing, it improves your focus, your emotional regulation, and your resilience, making it a go-to tool for high-pressure moments. Now let's talk about how you can modify box breathing for different needs. Deep relaxation, 4-6-8-4, best for stress relief, sleep, and deep emotional processing. How? Inhale for 4, hold for 6, exhale for 8, hold for 4. Why it works? Extending the exhale signals deep relaxation. Power and performance, 5-5-5-5. Best for mental clarity before an important task. How? Inhale for 5, hold for 5, exhale for 5, and hold for 5. Why it works? Balances oxygen flow for alertness without overstimulation. Grounding and emotional control, 6-6-6-6. Best for regaining control in moments of high stress or anger. How? Inhale for 6, hold for 6, exhale for 6, and hold for 6. Why it works? Slower breathing stabilizes emotions. Building breath control, 4-4-6-2. Best for strengthening lung capacity and mindfulness. How? Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6, and hold for 2. Why it works? Extending the exhale while keeping a short hold trains breath efficiency. Box breathing isn't just something you practice and forget. It's a tool you can use in real-life situations. Before a stressful meeting, do 3 to 5 minutes to stay focused. During moments of anxiety, use the longer exhale variation to regain control. Before bed, a slower cycle can help you transition into deep rest. Before meditation or shadow work, helps ground your mind and body. You can do this anywhere, sitting at your desk, parked in your car, or in line at the store. The best part is no one has to know you're doing it. Your breath is one of the most powerful tools you have. It's always with you, always available. Master it and you'll master your state of mind. Until the next time, take a deep breath and step into your power. If this video has helped you, then please hit the like button and subscribe. If you know of anyone that would benefit from these videos, then please share with them. I'm also opening up the application process again for the next 8-week cycle of one-to-one sessions. So if you're interested, then please shoot me an email at ameliaslifecoaching@gmail.com.